When on an adventure where no man's gone before, it is vital to have basic first aid skills amongst the members of your group. At the end of part 1 of our visit to a private game reserve, I will focus my attention on the importance of basic first aid training. To have an opportunity to visit such an exclusive private game farm was truly amazing, especially when afforded the privilege to drive the game viewing vehicle ourselves. Just the two of us, going wherever we chose. What makes it exciting is the anticipation, while competing not only to see who can find an animal first, but also to identify the animals at a distance and provide course and direction for your game drive. In fact, the reality is that these wild animals have grazing preferences, which can vary from time to time, depending on the season, rainfall, and other factors. So expect to have periods where all you will see is the bush and the beauty of the scenery. What makes it exciting is the anticipation, while competing not only to see who can find an animal first, but also to identify the animals at a distance and provide course and direction for your game drive. We found the condition of the animals to be excellent, and in this reserve, the prime animals to look for are white rhino, Cape buffalo, and eland. Not to forget the more common animals: zebra, blue wildebeest, giraffe, impala, ostrich, and warthog, amongst others. Leopard, rock python, and hyena have been spotted in this reserve, but such sightings are extremely rare, and sadly, we were not blessed with such sightings on this occasion. This activity is relaxing and poses a daily challenge and excitement whenever animals are spotted. In most countries of the world, basic first aid training is offered either by the Red Cross, an ambulance service, or paramedics. completed our course at St. John's Ambulance Foundation in K.E. Masinga Road, formerly known as Old Fort Road in Durban. Consult your doctor, ambulance service or paramedic to determine the best place for basic training in your area or hometown.